Hi everyone, it's Jessie from the Discovery Museum. I'm going to show you how you can use a toy top for spin art. If you don't have a toy top at home, that's okay, because you can make one really easily. I used a CD with an acorn glued on one side and a marker lid glued on the other. I also tried one out with a yogurt lid that I hot glued a crayon as the handle on one side, and on the other, I used a marble. There's a lot of things you could try at home to make your own top. Let's see it in action. I put everything into a plastic container to spin my top. This helped prevent all the paint flying everywhere. I had also cut paper ahead of time, so I put one of the pieces of paper on the top, started spinning, and carefully squeezed paint onto the spinning top. I didn't have any smaller containers of paint, so I was very careful at how hard I squeezed the bottle of paint. You could always try pipettes or even maybe paintbrushes that had lots of paint on them that could drip down onto your spinning top. A little paint goes a long way. Try different speeds, different color combination. Have fun.